Stonelink Property Management. We're here at 112 Hudson Street, Unit 6, Providence, Rhode Island. It's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, townhouse style condo for rent. Starting our video tour right when you walk in. Got your living room area here, hardwood flooring throughout, high ceilings, fresh paint, big windows, lots of natural light coming through. Very spacious living area. Before we head upstairs, let's go to the main level here. Got your open floor plan for living and dining. Door to my left there leads down to a basement. It is unfinished. Lots of storage though. Got your kitchen area here. Right to left, oversized refrigerator. Countertop and cabinet space, granite marble countertops, electric stove, built-in microwave, undermount sink, dishwasher there. Back entrance leads to a small area there. Lead out to shared backyard as well as parking. Half bathroom here. Toilet and vanity. Let's make our way upstairs. Straight ahead at the top of the stairs. Bedroom number 1, big enough for a queen or a king set. With the closet space there in the corner. Washer and dryer hookups here. Pantry closet to my left. Full bathroom. Brand new vanity. Shower tub. Bedroom number 2, straight ahead. Big closet space there. This is also big enough for a king set. More ceiling fans. Make our way up to the 3rd level. Bedroom number 3, big enough for a queen set. Second full bathroom here. Beautiful vanity. Shower, no tub. And we got 4th bedroom, big enough for queen, possibly king set. Closet space there behind the door. Thanks for apply for 112 Hudson Street, Unit 6, Providence, Rhode Island. Click that Apply Now button above your screen. Each adult will fill out the application. It's Frank for Stonelink Property Management. Thank you and have a great day.